Good morning, good morning, good morning. I've got a surprise for y'all today. Two surprises. We'll just start with number one. Your boy has decided that he's gonna go racing this weekend. This is something new for me. I've never raced a dirt bike before, but I just randomly decided, you know what, fuck it, let's send it. Let's see what we can do. T-Bone won't be joining us. I can't convince him, unfortunately. That's a rough one. But anyways, here's surprise number two. Look at the fresh kit. Look at that shit. What a fucking beaut. Don't you look good? Good morning, ladies and gents. Fucking what a beautiful Saturday morning it is. Sun's coming up. We're on the way to the racetrack. I'm excited for this shit. Super, super nervous, but I'm excited. Super excited. Fucking, hopefully we do good. We don't crash out. I don't know. Like I said, never raced before. Never raced before. This is a first for me. Boys will be up later. Fucking. That's all you can ask for. Right there, bud. Should have a lot of support, honestly, hopefully, if people show up. But you know how that goes. People get busy. It is what it is, big guy. It is what it is. Look at that sun coming up. Beautiful. Fucking gorge. We just got done with tech. We're all signed in, ready to go. Unfortunately, we couldn't keep the old number 2-2. That sucks, but here we go. We're 84 today. Hopefully should bring us some luck. The old 84. She's about race ready though, boys. We're gonna do a little fucking chain lube and then she's good. She's all fucking primed, ready to go. Oh, shit. What a pain in the ass. Waiting in the line for like 2 hours to get signed up. Missed practice. Fucking, that shit blows. But it's alright. We're gonna figure this bitch out. Boys, what is good? Fuck, we just finished our first ever dirt bike race and it went like shit, but I had a fuckload of fun, so I don't even care. Don't even care. Fucking off rip, we were in third, and then your boy got a little too fucking excited and came a little too hot on the first corner and blew her out. And then fucking third corner, guy goes down in front of me, hit the mud. He hits the mud, goes down in front of me. I try to start slowing down. I hit the mud, boom, we're down on the ground. Fucked up the goddamn GoPro footage fucking for most of all the race. Yo, what's good, boys? It's a week after the race. We're about to go ride tomorrow morning. But unfortunately, we got some bad news. Your boy's bike is down. We went to do a valve adjustment, and like a scoob, like a total scoob, I busted the bolt that holds the fucking cam in. What a scoob. Idiot. It's okay though. It's alright. We got us a replacement. Check this girl out. Check her out. Boom. Mint 2005 CRF 450R. 10 hours, baby. That's old daddy's bike. Water truck. We got the water truck. Oh, reminds me, you gotta grab a shovel. And a chair. Fuck, thank God. Take 2 because the first time was dog shit. What up, John? How you doing this morning? Good morning, brother. Good morning. Okay. You get yourself some breakfast? Hell yeah. What'd you have?
You get the
Hell yeah. Gonna get the fucking water truck unloaded. First test on the step down.
Oh yeah!
Perfect.
Beautiful. Jump spot or track, whatever. It's not that far. Probably maybe 15 minutes at most.
Let me check my gas.
Oh, you're yeah, I tipped over. I probably should. I didn't bring any extra petrol, but I'm still at the 3/4.
Oh, I'll top this off.
I didn't bring extra petrol because I haven't been doing that since shit goes bad so quick.
Just checking it, cause it's fucking dark and it's weird.
Why is it so fucking dark?
The octane booster, I guess.
You gotta get the DP power boost.
I got Lucas oil.
But I want to do that once I like do a quick research in the back. It's really worth it with how much we ride.
Right.
$500.
But at the same time, think about how much we're gonna be using with how much we ride.
Cars burn. It'd be like 20 to 30 gallons. $20 a ride. We're using a gallon. So that's $2,000 to $3,000 for the fuel. I'm thinking just 5 and a I'm just fucking. It's crazy. They're drinking a gallon a minute. That's insane. A little more than that. Almost 2.
That's good gas.
Because literally they fucking. Well, just at idle, it's like a gallon.
94, bitch. Fuck you.
When they're ripping, it's like fucking.
Let's go race.
Crazy.
Did he fucking stall it?
He didn't even get it started.
Fuck me.
He tried pushing it down the hill, but he didn't even try bumping it. go.
No, we need you.
What am I supposed to do? What do you want me to do?
No. Let's get your quad unstuck and then we'll rehook.
It's fine, just fucking drag it. It'll go.
Just drag you?
It'll go. Yes, it'll go.
Oh, you're not.
Alright, maybe fucking not. I'm so fucking done. Alright, you're unhooked.
I'm unhooked? On star?
No. I think I'm gonna have to fucking get a different
Hey,
battery.
you want to hold my bike and I'll try to push that in?
Yeah.
I don't know if you're gonna be able to push me hard
Try to go into this open part over here to the right.
Oh! Look at that guy. Oh, wait. fucking good. We just finished the Moto.
Rough fucking day out there, boy. Let me tell you what.
Fuck. Trevor's dehydrated.
Too many brews.
Woo! His arms are blown. Look at the veins popping.
Come on, man.
Arms are fucking
fuck.
blown. Cramping. He's cramping. His arms are blown. He couldn't ride today.
AJ in the dust. He's crying. He's texting me right now.
Yeah.
Catch up.
Shit. AJ shit's not running like always. Like always.
It's always something with the mechanic.
Of course. He said nerf him, so he got nerfed. Oh, piece of shit, where's your blinker? You can't park there. Debbie, it's raining after we leave the fucking track. Some bullshit. Arizona, monsoon season, baby.